Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I've got an Asus Vivobook X515JA and I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option. So pay close attention guys. Right, further ado, let's get started. I'm already in Windows, so what I'm gonna do is restart the laptop so it goes into post, which means power on self-test. Right, so it's almost restarted. Right, so now I need you to put your finger on the F2 and keep tapping it guys. Yes, can you see this key? So we have now entered BIOS configuration settings. It's a simple firmware. I'm not very impressed, to be honest, with how the firmware looks like. It's old school. But let me exit now and show you how to enter a boot menu. Just keep tapping the escape key once the laptop restarts. So let me zoom in this key guys, ESC. So in boot manager or / boot menu options, your bootable device will show up here. Right, I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. As usual, please like the video and subscribe.